Don't forget to check on your loved ones and show them some love and give them some hugs and kisses. And get help if you need it. It's okay. Love you. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to make some delicious barbecue chicken and some fried corn. So, thank you guys for coming. Let's get into the ingredients.
Where'd you go? Oh, you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like horizon. With you tonight is on an island. It's about time we're making up. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you feel seductive in this you touch. I needed to distance myself from you. Oh, just to know you want you. So come close, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? With you having it place on nothing. Take you there, I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words. With you having it place on nothing. Take you there.
Remember the seasoning blend that I did with the pot roast? Well, this is what I used for this delicious barbecue chicken as well. Okay guys, we are ready to make our barbecue chicken, and we're going to use some Worcestershire sauce. I added the Creole seasoning to the seasoning that I showed you earlier. We got our chicken here that I cut up, and our green pepper, red pepper, and onions, and chicken stock. Let's go. Okay guys, so while you have your oven preheating to 350 degrees, we are going to use some Stubbs barbecue sauce. Oh, and don't forget your minced garlic, okay? You need that. So we have our peppers and onions in the pan, and our chicken has been seasoned. We're going to add that, and then we're going to build. Be right back. All right guys, we are back. So, I'm gonna add probably like a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. Our chicken, like I said, has been seasoned and ready to go. Okay. Just deliciousness. I'm gonna just coat a little. The chicken's gonna make its own juice, so you don't need that much. You don't need that much. Because although I'm making barbecue chicken, I do like my meat still firm. Okay, guys? Firm chicken. I don't like wiggly meat. None of that stuff. So, just give it a nice spin. A toss. Cover with some aluminum foil and put it in the oven. Simple, delicious recipe. The holidays are coming, and we know we love some barbecue. I'll be back, guys. Okay, guys, so I have added some Dijon mustard and some red crushed pepper flakes to the barbecue sauce. I am going to blend this up, and then it's time to put it on our chicken. Look at our chicken. It is ready. We're gonna coat one side and then let it bake a little bit. Then coat the next side. We're gonna bake this for about 10 more minutes. All right guys, here is all the ingredients we're gonna use to make our fried corn. You have your parsley, red pepper flakes, Creole seasoning, complete seasoning, onion and garlic powder, fine black ground pepper. Okay, got our butter there. I know this is probably not the right corn to use for fried corn, but we're gonna check it out. And then we got some minced garlic, red onions, and red and green peppers. All right, so let's get started. I'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back. Let's make some fried corn, okay? So we got our butter in the pan. I'm gonna add a little bit of avocado oil to the pan. We're gonna let it melt down, and then we're gonna get to cooking. Here's our blend of seasonings that we have that we're gonna use in there. A little bit of that. I don't measure, so we just gonna go with the flow. Okay. All right, let's get our corn and veggies in here. Add our seasoning. Medium high heat, and I'm gonna crank this up a little bit more, guys. All right, we're gonna get this corn stirring. Fry it down some more. Then I'm gonna add in our garlic. Let that cook for a few seconds, and then we ready to eat. Don't you just love some fried corn, guys? Should have had this in my cast iron skillet, right? Get that nice char look to it. But this gonna do just fine. I hope all of you guys are blessed and well, having a wonderful day. I miss y'all. Thank y'all for watching my last video, and I'll be back. Right, add in my garlic. Give it a stir. And we ready to eat. The holidays are coming. Have you done your shopping, guys? I haven't started yet. All right, we ready to pull this off. And I'll be back with the finished dish, guys. Be right back. Hey guys, so our barbecue chicken is done. Don't it look so delicious? Oh my God. I thank you guys for watching. Thank you for watching my last video. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. And we're gonna give this baby a taste. I hope your day is going well. So yes, our barbecue wings. I'll be right back. Let's plate it up. Let's see. Ooh. Don't want to make a mess. Give you a little bit of that. Guys, this is delicious. You still want your corn to have a crisp, a crunch. Fix you some, guys. Bon appetit. Before I go, you know this is Mental Health Awareness Month. It's okay to get the help you need. Take a break. Mine is a terrible thing to waste. Let people love on you. And the season's coming, the holidays, and we all have loved ones we miss and care dearly for and no longer with us. So surround yourself around love and positivity and enjoy life. Don't waste any of your precious time with those who don't love you. Remember, God loves you, so you are always loved. Here we have it. You have your barbecue chicken, fried corn. Yes. Don't that look delicious, guys? Oh my God. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Until next time, later. Stay blessed. Love you guys. Happy Halloween. Be safe out there. Protect the kitties.